when I got invited to Fordham to give what they're calling the culminating event of this year of magic, I thought, wouldn't it be wonderful to do some magic workshops and just give them like a handful of magic tricks that they could have in their pocket to connect in a wonderful, fun, meaningful kind of way. Magicians Without Borders has been going for almost 20 years now, and the mission is to use magic to entertain, educate, and empower often forgotten refugee and orphan children around the world. We're teaching them magic. We're teaching them, in a sense, to become magicians, but what we're really doing is using magic to teach them confidence, discipline, focus, self-esteem. The students seemed really enthusiastic. I mean, it was 3 hours long. They wanted to start a magic society because I had some friends from the Yale Magic Society down here helping me, and that was my dream, that they would get excited about magic and now want to start something here, and they also want to work with Magicians Without Borders in some way. So that's what we did tonight. Harry Houdini, a refugee himself, once said, when I do magic for people, especially people in difficult circumstances, my magic not only amazes and amuses, but it can awaken hope that the impossible is possible. And that's what Magicians Without Borders is trying to do, to awaken hope that the impossible is possible.